Imagine you've just received a hefty bonus or inheritance. What would you do with it? Invest? Save? Spend? If you're considering saving, you've probably come across EverBank's performance savings account. But is it really as good as it sounds? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding EverBank Performance Savings. EverBank Performance Savings is a high-yield savings account that offers a competitive interest rate compared to traditional savings accounts. But what makes it stand out? Let's break down the key features. High interest rates. One of the biggest draws of EverBank Performance Savings is its competitive interest rate. This means your money grows faster over time, compared to accounts with lower rates. No minimum balance. Unlike some other high-yield savings accounts, EverBank Performance Savings doesn't require a minimum balance to open or maintain the account. This makes it accessible to a wider range of savers. Online-only access. EverBank is an online-only bank, meaning you can't visit a physical branch to conduct your banking. While this might not suit everyone, it can also mean lower overhead costs for the bank, which can translate to higher interest rates for customers. FDIC insured. Your deposits in EverBank Performance Savings are FDIC insured up to $250,000 per depositor, providing peace of mind and protection against bank failures. Is EverBank Performance Savings right for you? Now that we understand the basics of EverBank Performance Savings, let's consider whether it's the right choice for you. Here are some factors to consider. Your savings goals. Are you saving for a short-term goal like a vacation or a down payment on a house? Or are you saving for a long-term goal like retirement? EverBank Performance Savings can be a good option for both short and long-term savings. Your banking habits. If you prefer the convenience of online banking and don't mind not having a physical branch, EverBank Performance Savings could be a great fit. However, if you prefer the personal touch of a brick-and-mortar bank, you might want to consider other options. Interest rate sensitivity. If you're highly sensitive to interest rates, EverBank Performance Savings can be a good option, as it offers competitive rates. However, it's important to remember that interest rates can fluctuate over time. Comparing EverBank Performance Savings to other options. Before making a decision, it's also a good idea to compare EverBank Performance Savings to other high-yield savings accounts. Here are some key factors to consider. Interest rates. Compare the interest rates offered by different banks. While EverBank often offers competitive rates, it's always a good idea to shop around. Fees. Some banks charge fees for certain transactions or services. Make sure to check for any fees associated with EverBank Performance Savings. Minimum balance requirements. Some high-yield savings accounts require a minimum balance to earn the highest interest rate. Compare the minimum balance requirements of different banks. Customer service. Consider the quality of customer service offered by different banks. Read reviews and testimonials to get a sense of the customer experience. Tips for maximizing your savings with EverBank Performance Savings. If you decide to open an EverBank Performance Savings account, here are some tips to help you maximize your savings. Contribute regularly. Make regular contributions to your account to help it grow faster. Avoid early withdrawals. If possible, avoid making early withdrawals from your account, as this can result in penalties. Consider a high-yield CD. If you're saving for a specific goal and don't need access to your money for a while, consider a high-yield CD from EverBank. CDs often offer higher interest rates than savings accounts. EverBank Performance Savings can be a great option for savers looking for a high-yield account with no minimum balance. However, it's important to consider your individual needs and preferences before making a decision. By understanding the key features of EverBank Performance Savings and comparing it to other options, you can make an informed choice about where to save your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.